Generosity of a rich man. Once upon a time, in the charming town of Greenwood, there lived a wealthy man named Mr. Thompson. Despite his vast riches, he was known far and wide for his extraordinary generosity. Mr. Thompson was not the kind of person who flaunted his wealth with extravagant displays. Instead, he found joy in using his resources to make a positive impact on the lives of those around him. Greenwood was a town where everyone knew everyone else, and the sense of community was strong. However, like any community, there were challenges that some residents faced. One day, as Mr. Harrison strolled through the town square, he noticed a group of families struggling with the burden of financial difficulties. Some were unable to afford basic necessities, while others faced challenges in providing proper education for their children. Deeply moved by the sight, Mr. Thompson decided to do something meaningful to help his fellow townspeople. He began by establishing a community center, where families could access resources such as food, clothing, and educational support. The center quickly became a beacon of hope for those in need. To ensure that every child in Greenwood had access to quality education, Mr. Thompson collaborated with the local schools. He set up scholarship programs, providing financial aid to deserving students who otherwise might not have had the opportunity to pursue their studies. Word of Mr. Thompson's kindness spread throughout Greenwood, and soon, families from neighboring towns began to benefit from his generosity as well. The community center became a bustling hub of activity, where people not only received assistance, but also found a supportive and caring environment. As the years passed, Mr. Thompson's commitment to helping others only grew stronger. He initiated vocational training programs to empower adults with valuable skills, enabling them to secure better employment opportunities. The impact of his initiatives extended beyond financial assistance. They fostered a sense of unity and camaraderie among the townspeople. One day, as Mr. Thompson was overseeing the construction of a new wing for the community center, he received a letter from a young woman named Emily. She was a recipient of one of Mr. Thompson's scholarships and had successfully graduated from college. Emily expressed her gratitude for the opportunities she had received, sharing how her education had not only transformed her life, but also inspired her to give back to the community. Touched by Emily's letter, Mr. Thompson decided to further expand his philanthropic efforts. He established a mentorship program, pairing successful individuals from various fields with aspiring young talents in Greenwood. This initiative aimed to provide guidance and support to the next generation, helping them navigate the challenges of life and pursue their dreams. The ripple effect of Mr. Thompson's generosity continued to spread. Families that had once struggled to make ends meet now had stable incomes. Children who faced educational barriers were excelling in their studies, and the overall well-being of the community had significantly improved. Greenwood became a shining example of how the kindness of one person could transform an entire town. Mr. Thompson's actions not only alleviated immediate hardships, but also created a lasting legacy of compassion and community strength. His story served as an inspiration for generations to come, reminding everyone that wealth, when used with a generous heart, could truly make the world a better place.